While simulators and mathematical approaches can give the illusion of a guarantee of perfect safety, the big gap that will exist in practice is having a model of the external world. All the software on the vehicle assumes that it knows something about the external world, but if that knowledge is imperfect or incorrect, it will not produce perfectly safe outputs. A particular challenge is modeling the world not only where the vehicle is, but where the vehicle is going to be before it can complete a maneuver. Anyone in a northern climate has seen warning signs about the bridge may ice over before the roadway, and here's an example. The idea here is if you know the friction of the road surface, you can compute how fast you can stop. But if the friction changes dramatically before you get a chance to be fully stopped, you might be in for a surprise on how long it will take to stop. In this case, if you encounter the icy bridge before you're done with a stop, you're going to be sliding along the road a lot further than you expected before you actually reach a stop.